design look like that. After that we'll manage with inspect. This is our layout. So now I need this text in center. Okay, so we'll get text align center. Okay, but it will always show on the top. It is not a center. So what we did, we just implement as a flex. So display, we write down flex, justify content center. Then we need to center according to height. So here we give it to align item center, and background color should be, if you check, is black. So we'll give here background color should be 0 and color should be white. Okay, you can go there, copy everything and paste it in your VS Code. It will reflect. Okay. Okay. Now if you check, as for Figma, our like a design is as for Figma or not. So let's see. We'll see one by one. Width is 90/20, height is 50. Come to the Figma. Check it. Our width is 90/20, height is 50. Okay. Background color is black. You can check here. Background color is black. Okay. Okay. Text color is white. Our text color is white. Okay. It is a center. If you see, I'm zooming, and if you click Alter and that move your cursor, it will show. You can see 16, it will center. Okay, if we check our layout, it is also a center. Okay, so our font size is 18 pixel. Everything you can, if you check properly, font size is 18 pixel. So now our first top section is completed. Okay, now our next section is there. Okay, so we have two sections. First section is like a Jalata India, second section is Boss Lady. Okay, so we'll design one by one. Okay, So before design two section, we'll design our nav bar. Okay, here is our nav bar is there. First we'll design our nav bar. You can see first one is here is like a icon, after that logo. Okay, and second here is like a wish list, cart and user login. All these three icon was there. So first design nav bar. Okay, so this is a like a icon. I'm going to use this icon in our website. Okay, so what we did, first zoom little bit and click only that icon. After that you can just explore. Before exploring, you can check what you are exporting, that icon is correct or not. Okay, so normally it's icon svg. We can take width height is 32, so we just export it. It is downloaded. Okay, we just move it in our folder. I'm creating one AMG. There I'm just use. Just rename. New icon. Second one is our logo. Is just before exploring, you just preview. You can check it's correct or not. After that, you can export it. Okay, so one more icon I just export, and after that I just reuse. Okay, that one I am going to export. Oh, so it's svg, so I use svg. Okay, so I just download all icons. Okay, so our nav bar is there. So okay, I give it some class name. Nav bar section. Okay, so there is like a basically in nav bar two section was there. Okay, first one is left side, second one is right side. So one by one we'll design. same as for right side. You can okay. So one by one we'll design. Here is icon and new icon and logo. So I'm going to take, if it was a icon, then we can take as a like a picture tag, we can take as a like a AMZ tag, but it is a not icons, so you can just take it as a picture tag. Okay, so